Never wake up someone who is snoring at 3 a.m. Here is why. I sat up in bed feeling tired and annoyed. It was 3 a.m., and my dad was snoring so loudly that I couldn't sleep. I sighed and reached over, shaking his shoulder. Wake up, you're too loud. The snoring stopped right away. I lay back down, but after a few seconds I heard something else. Breathing, slow, deep, strange. I turned my head. My dad wasn't moving. He wasn't even breathing. Then I heard it again. But this time the sound came from the dark corner of the room. A low, rough breath. Then, a whisper. He wasn't the one snoring. My whole body froze. I slowly looked back at the bed. My dad was gone, but the blankets were still moving, as if something was still breathing under them.